excited. ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದು. We have been waiting for 18 years. Jai RCB.
Obviously, it is a big festival for us. We won it and we own the world today.
Taken off today. Yesterday also was my off, but today we have come just to see this joy, just to see Virat. Jai RCB!
So excited. ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದು. We have been waiting for 18 years. Jai RCB.
It's really an emotional moment here. So we have all been waiting for 18 years. So we are all here to celebrate. It's a very great moment to be here. We all was ready to go to the parade, but we are just happy to be living nearby. So it's walkable. So it's just a magical moment being here.
So we are so excited after 18 years. It's such a great experience. And after seeing Virat Kohli crying yesterday, it was really very emotional for us, sir. So it means immense joy, sir. I've taken off today. Yesterday also was my off, but today we have come just to see this joy, just to see Virat bringing the cup back to Bangalore, sir. We are so excited. Jai RCB! I'm here for my team and Virat Kohli. RCB!
It's a blessing. We won the cup. We were waiting from past 18 years and today is the day. Yesterday was the day we won it and we own the world today.
So team is coming now. So you people have gathered here. Will it be
Yeah.
a celebration?
Obviously, it is a big festival for us. We are celebrating it in a high level.
Look like many of you taken off and came
I am on leave today.
for the celebrations. and
Yes,
parade.
only for the celebration I am on the leave.
RCB! RCB!